Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Bank of America's third quarter 2024 earnings call in under 4 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. Starting with the headline figures, Bank of America generated $25.5 billion in revenue and earned $6.9 billion in net income for the quarter. This translated to earnings per share of 81 cents. Year-to-date, they've generated just over $20 billion in net income, showing consistent profitability. A major highlight was the bank's net interest income, which grew 2% this quarter after hitting its predicted trough in Q2. This growth is expected to continue into Q4, even with potential rate cuts on the horizon. The bank returned $5.6 billion to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks, demonstrating strong capital management. On the business segment front, their global markets division achieved its 10th consecutive quarter of year-over-year growth in sales and trading revenue. Investment banking fees grew 18% year-over-year, while sales and trading revenue increased 12%. The wealth management segment saw strong growth with investment and brokerage fees up 15%. Consumer banking continues to show robust organic growth. The bank added 360,000 net new checking accounts this quarter, marking their 23rd consecutive quarter of significant account growth. They've added more than 880,000 new checking accounts in the first 9 months of 2024. Digital adoption remains strong with 48 million active digital users logging in more than 3.6 billion times this quarter. Digital sales now represent 54% of total consumer sales, showing the success of their digital transformation efforts. Looking at deposit trends, average deposits grew $45 billion, or 2% year-over-year. The bank has seen 5 consecutive quarters of deposit growth, with stabilization in consumer and wealth management segments. Commercial deposits showed particular strength. Credit quality remains solid with net charge-offs at $1.5 billion, unchanged from the previous quarter. The bank maintains strong reserve levels, prepared for potential economic changes. On the capital front, Bank of America's CET1 ratio improved to 11.8%, well above their 10.7% requirement. This strong capital position gives them flexibility for future growth and continued shareholder returns. Looking ahead, management expressed confidence in continued NII growth and a return to operating leverage in 2025. They see a stable economic environment with slower growth and falling inflation, while noting healthy consumer spending patterns and stable asset quality. That wraps up our recap of Bank of America's third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.